Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2015 Suzuki GSX-R600. This bike is in mint condition with just a little over 1,700 miles on it. It really has only one add-on, but is otherwise all stock. So let's take our walk around it and then I'll fire it up. And I believe this is factory racing colors as well for Suzuki. Tires are in excellent condition with only 1,700 miles on them. They got plenty of life left in them. This is the one aftermarket accessory on it, which is a tank pad. And as you can see by the back wheel too, that's got a lot of life left in it. Look like whoever owned this bike didn't push it real hard. Not a lot of scrub all the way down, so looks like this bike was probably ridden pretty easily. Alright, let's look at those miles now. 1707 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This GSX-R600 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.